Hi, my name is Rachel Prelli-Randolph, and I'm here at Expert Village on self-tanning tips. And I'm going to talk to you about how your face is different than your body when it comes to lotion, of course. When you buy lotion at the store, there will be more than one bottle for any type of self-tanning, but you want to buy the one that says for your face and use that one for your face. Some people don't apply that. When you go out and you buy lotion for your bodies, a lot of people make the mistake of actually putting all over your whole body, including your face. And that can be a problem. Number one, when you use lotion on your face, you want to make sure that it definitely has SPF, because you're in front of the sun all the time. Your face is not going to be covered. Unless you're wearing a ski mask for any kind of reason, you're really going to need that SPF. But for your body, your skin is a lot different. The texture is different. Your face is more gentle. And it also, for the body, if you put the lotion that's made for your body onto your face, it can also clog your pores, and you really don't want that, creating more acne. No. And up next, we're going to be talking about how to start the process.